Looking for a powerful, compact, and stylish speaker for your setup? Meet the Bluedee SK020 computer soundbar, the perfect sound upgrade for your desktop, laptop, or tablet. This sleek Bluetooth 5.3 soundbar is designed to deliver hi-fi stereo sound with 20-watt power, 2 HD full-range units, and 2 tweeters for crystal-clear audio. Need deeper bass? The dual bass radiators ensure every beat hits hard. Weighing just 2.27 pounds, the Bluedee SK020 is lightweight, portable, and equipped with a 3,600 mAh rechargeable battery, offering up to 5.5 hours of playtime on the go. It's got options: Bluetooth, 3.5mm aux-in, TF card, and USB flash disk support means seamless connectivity to PCs, laptops, smartphones, and even TVs. This soundbar is a steal. Get yours today and upgrade your sound experience. This compact yet powerful anti-theft alarm weighs just 4.5 ounces, but packs a super loud 113 decibel siren to scare off potential thieves instantly. Whether you need security for your bike, e-bike, scooter, motorcycle, or even doors, this device has you covered. Equipped with 7 adjustable sensitivity levels, you can customize the alarm from gentle touch detection to strong movement alerts. The included remote control lets you arm, disarm, locate your vehicle, and even activate an SOS emergency alarm when needed. Designed for easy installation, it comes with strong adhesive tape and cable ties. No screws or wiring required. Plus, its IP55 waterproof rating ensures it works in any weather condition. Protect your ride with the Hendon upgraded bike alarm. It's an affordable, highly effective security solution. Stay protected. Get the Hendon KS-SF22R today. The Joybring QLED screen upgrade, double DIN car stereo with dash cam, model Joy W021. The perfect upgrade for your car's multimedia system. Made with high-quality materials, this stereo features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless phone integration for calls, navigation, music, and more, with no USB cable needed. Weighing 3.2 pounds, this system is designed for easy installation and superior performance. It comes with an upgraded 7-inch QLED HD screen, supporting 1920 by 1080p video playback for stunning visuals. The Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable and fast wireless streaming for music, calls, and MP3s. With a 4.1 out of 5 stars rating from over 1,379 plus global ratings, users love the built-in dash cam, capturing 720p HD video, the 170-degree wide-angle backup camera, and enhanced audio with 4.2 channel output for an immersive sound experience. Enhance your drive with Joybring. Safety, convenience, and entertainment all in one. Meet the wireless digital microscope, handheld USB HD inspection camera, model MX200-B by TTAKMLY. This sleek portable microscope is crafted from durable plastic, weighing just 0.49 pounds, perfect for on-the-go use. It's made in China. With 50x to 1000x magnification, this microscope is more than just a tool. It's a 2 million pixel camera that captures stunning 1080p HD images and videos for smartphones and 720p for computers. It's compatible with iPhones, Android devices, Windows PCs, and Macs. Featuring 8 built-in LED lights, it ensures you'll never need additional lighting, even in the darkest conditions. A rechargeable battery lasts up to 3 hours on a full charge, making it a handy tool for outdoor adventures. Customer reviews rate it 4.2 out of 5 stars, with over 8,600 plus ratings, making it a popular choice among tech enthusiasts, educators, and curious minds alike. The Sigovoxic AI voice recorder, the perfect tool for professionals, students, and anyone looking to streamline their recording and transcription needs. Weighing just 5.6 ounces, This sleek gray recorder offers 64 gigabytes of memory and supports 121 languages for transcription, with real-time summarization powered by ChatGPT 4o. This device offers unlimited transcription and summarization with no hidden costs, saving you at least $10 a month in subscription fees. It features seamless synchronization across the device, app, and web for easy access and file management. The magnetic charging and autosave functionality ensure your data is safe, even during long recordings. Plus, with the ability to transcribe in 159 languages on iOS and provide smart summarization for various scenarios, it's ideal for meetings, lectures, and interviews. The Sigovoxic AI voice recorder is an indispensable tool for boosting productivity and enhancing communication. The MOOKA BD02L Air Purifier, perfect for large rooms up to 1,076 square feet. This efficient air purifier features an H13 True HEPA filter, capturing airborne contaminants as small as 0.3 microns, including pet hair, dander, smoke, and dust. It's ideal for homes, offices, or nurseries, any space where air quality matters. Weighing just a few pounds, it's easy to move and fits seamlessly into any room. The ultra-quiet motor operates at just 20 decibels, so it won't disturb your work, study, or sleep. With 4 timer settings and 4 fan modes, you can customize it to suit your needs. Plus, the optional night light adds a soothing touch to your space. It offers exceptional value, with 4.5 stars from over 5,900 plus reviews. Manufactured in China, it's energy efficient, eco-friendly, and backed by great customer service. Improve your indoor air quality with MOOKA today. Restec Massager for neck and back with heat, your ultimate solution for relieving muscle pain and tension. This electric Shiatsu massager is designed to provide a deep tissue, 3D kneading experience, perfect for soothing sore muscles. Made with high-quality leather, it weighs just 400 grams, making it lightweight and easy to use anywhere. This massager has earned an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 53,000 plus global ratings. It's great for relieving neck stiffness, back pain, and fatigue while promoting blood circulation. The heat control and adjustable stimulation allow you to customize your massage for optimal comfort. With its portable design, you can enjoy a relaxing massage at home, in the car, or even on the go. Whether you're using it for your shoulders, feet, or legs, the Restec Massager is your go-to gadget for full-body relaxation, anytime, anywhere. Oster Silver Electric Wine Opener. Say hello to the Oster Silver Electric Wine Opener, your new go-to for hassle-free wine nights. Made by trusted brand Oster, this sleek gadget features a durable plastic build and weighs just 16 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to handle. Designed in China, this cordless electric wine opener pops corks in seconds with a simple push-button operation. It opens up to 30 bottles on a single charge and includes a foil cutter for removing seals with ease. The soft grip handle ensures comfort while pouring, and the recharging base keeps it ready to go at all times. It's a budget-friendly upgrade for any kitchen, bar, or gift list. Backed by over 48,000 plus global reviews and a solid 4.4 out of 5-star rating, the Oster opener blends function, style, and convenience in one sleek package. Pop, pour, and enjoy. The Oster way. The KETTOYA Non-Expanding Garden Hose 100 feet. A revolutionary new hose that's lightweight, durable, and kink-resistant. This innovative design eliminates the need for a traditional expandable hose, offering a flexible solution that's up to 3 times lighter than standard vinyl hoses. Weighing just 9.13 pounds, it's perfect for tackling all your outdoor watering tasks with ease. The KETTOYA hose features 360-degree rotating connectors and a 10-pattern spray nozzle, making it versatile for garden watering, washing your car, or even cleaning pets. Its super fabric and advanced PVC inner tube ensure it's leak-proof, durable, and long-lasting. Customers love how flexible and easy to store it is, thanks to the included portable storage strap. Say goodbye to bulky hoses and hello to effortless, kink-free watering with KETTOYA. The Phomemo D30 Label Maker Machine, a compact Bluetooth-enabled label printer designed for convenience. This sleek device weighs just 160 grams, making it incredibly portable. It's earned an impressive 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 23,000 plus global reviews. The Phomemo D30 boasts inkless thermal printing, saving you money on ink, toner, and ribbons. Its upgraded German thermal print head ensures 25% sharper print quality for clear and professional labels. With 1,000 plus symbols, 60 plus frames, and various fonts available, you can create customized labels for any need. From home organization and office files to school supplies and small business labeling, this versatile gadget does it all. The rechargeable battery offers long-lasting use, while its compact design fits perfectly in your pocket. For quick, easy, and cost-effective labeling, the Phomemo D30 is a smart choice for both home and business users alike. Sin Shine Compressed Air 3.0 Electric Air Duster, a must-have for anyone looking to keep their electronics clean and dust-free. Weighing just 1.9 pounds, this compact yet powerful air blower delivers 27 meters per second of airflow at 67.5 miles per hour, making it perfect for cleaning laptops, keyboards, cameras, and more. With an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars from 13,748 plus global ratings, this eco-friendly alternative to traditional canned air helps you save money, reduce waste, and protect the environment. Its 10-foot cord and easy-to-use design make it simple to maneuver, and the momentary switch ensures safe operation, automatically turning off when released. Whether it's for your home, office, or electronics, the Sin Shine Air Duster delivers continuous, high-pressure air to remove dust, crumbs, and debris. Plus, with a satisfaction guarantee, it's a risk-free investment that will last for years. The 45 kHz Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner Machine, the ultimate cleaning solution for your dental appliances. With powerful 45 kHz sound waves and 25 watts power, this compact yet mighty gadget provides a deep 360-degree clean for your retainers, aligners, braces, night guards, and even jewelry. With 4 specialized cleaning modes, including ultrasonic, pulse, and UV light technology, this cleaner ensures a superior clean, surpassing what manual scrubbing can achieve. Just add water, press a button, and watch millions of tiny cleaning bubbles penetrate even the tiniest crevices. Crafted from durable ABS plastic and stainless steel, this 200 milliliter lightweight cleaner, 0.73 pounds, is compact and travel-friendly. Plus, it's energy efficient, making it a great choice for eco-conscious users. With an impressive 4.6-star rating from 1,330 plus global reviews, customers love its effectiveness and ease of use. This is a must-have for anyone who values hygiene and convenience. The Manscaped, the Chairman Pro Men's Electric Foil Face Shaver. This premium grooming tool from Manscaped is designed to give you a flawless shave every time. The Chairman's PRO comes with 2 interchangeable blade heads, including a skin-safe 4-blade foil for a close shave and a skin-safe stubble trimmer for a neat, defined look. Crafted from high-quality materials, this electric shaver is lightweight and easy to handle. Weighing just under 1 pound, it offers a smooth glide with stainless steel blades that reduce irritation, even on sensitive areas like your neck. Made in China. Customers love the long-lasting battery, with up to 75 minutes of runtime and the convenient 5-minute quick charge. For the ultimate shaving experience, the Chairman PRO is your go-to gadget. Upgrade your ride with the ONVIAN Smart Bike Tail Light. This multifunction bike accessory combines a brake light, turn signals, warning light, bike horn, and an anti-theft alarm made from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. It's IP65 waterproof and built to withstand rain or snow. Weighing just right for any bike, it features 31 ultra-bright Kobe LEDs with 160 lumens for maximum visibility. Easily signal turns with a wireless remote that works from up to 229 feet away. Plus, a smart brake sensor automatically alerts drivers behind you. Parked? The 110 decibel anti-theft alarm will scare off thieves instantly. With a 4.4-star rating, cyclists love its bright lights and security features. Stay safe, be seen, and ride with confidence. Get your ONVIAN Smart Bike tail light today.